Well, good Friday morning to all of you. We are seeing that colder air filter in already. Yesterday was a very mild day, very foggy though, I did hear, and I did see some reports back home there in the Lehigh Valley of a lot of fog yesterday. But colder air filtering in, we are seeing the rain now this morning as well. Temperatures still in the upper 40s, but this is about as high as they will get today. We are going down from here because here's the cold, and it's coming in. 37 in State College, 31 in Bradford, and 34 in Pittsburgh. And that colder air will only be filtering east. And that's going to help to possibly change this rain over to snow for some of you. And then it gets even colder. Look at the weather out west. This cold is well below average for everybody for this time of year. -14, not unheard of for Sioux Falls, but in early December, quite early for them. And we've got a bit of a warm ridge popping up at the southeast. So this cold has to take the scenic route to get here, but it will get here, especially by the midweek period. Wait till you see some of these numbers. These numbers are dropping big time. You can pick out the cold front. Can you play the game? Find the cold front. Here it is. Huge change in temperature moving eastward. And even if I didn't have it drawn on here, just by seeing these large temperature contrasts, that's where the front is, and it's moving east. The rain's out ahead of it. You can see it right here with these rounds of showers crossing through. Not a lot of rain, 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch expected during the day today, but here's the cold air catching up to it. A bad ice storm going on down in Dallas-Fort Worth area, school closings, road closures. Really bad stuff with the freezing rain, and this cold air will catch up to some of this precipitation in our area, changing it over to snow late tonight. Future weather shows that more rain during the day today. By 6 o'clock, a batch of moderate rain moving in, but here's that change over to snow. State College will be going over to snow by about 6 o'clock. It'll be moving east slowly. By 9:30, some moderate rain moving through, but that snow line is creeping closer. By midnight, it's real close, and it's all a matter of does the cold air catch up before the moisture moves out. I think there'll be enough cold air to catch the rain for the Lehigh Valley north and west to see at least a coating of some snow. South and east, though, you'll have a harder time. Saturday looks like a nice day. We'll clear it out. It'll be windy and colder. Those northwesterly winds could provide a snow flurry. Sunday, though, our next storm system begins to move up from the south. Here it comes. We're going to be seeing things start off in the form of snow, then go to some ice, and eventually rain. The setup is very tricky. We have a blocking high up to the north providing cold air. It's called cold air damming. It just funnels that chilly air down up against the east side of the Appalachians. And for the Lehigh Valley area, that could spell some increased frozen precipitation just because of where we are with the topography in this setup. So it's something to watch, but definitely Sunday afternoon snow will break out. By the evening hours, there it is. But notice that, excuse me, the changeover moving in from south to north. We will eventually go over to rain for most of Monday. So a sloppy setup for the end of the weekend. Real quick, first things first, that storm tonight, we're in pretty much agreement. This is a collaborative effort here yesterday from us here at Penn State, the student meteorologists. We're talking about maybe a coating for the Lehigh Valley up into the Poconos, coating to 2 inches. The best chance of those higher amounts definitely through the Poconos. South and east of pretty much I-78, you're out of luck. Overnight, that rain south and east, rain changing to snow, Lehigh Valley north and west, lows below freezing, where we will see the snow occur overnight. For your Saturday, we'll see flurries, windy conditions, but much colder. Highs only in the 30s with a northwesterly wind. It may feel more like the 20s. And the 7-day forecast, that snow and ice move in Sunday afternoon, highs in the lower 30s. Monday, we warm it up with rain. Could be a lot of rain Monday depending on how much moisture that system has to work with. Tuesday, an Arctic blast, 32. Overnight, we're going for 14. Wednesday and Thursday in the freezer, highs only in the 20s, and then another chance of snow by next Friday. So the wintertime pattern is arriving.